So hello guys. Today we are going to see how to install a virtual machine and Ubuntu OS in our Windows system. Okay, so first of all you need to install particular two things. One is virtual machine and second one is your operating system, whatever you want to install. So here is my VirtualBox virtual machine. You need to download VirtualBox. Here is your Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click here. Sorry, download. Going to download Windows host. So I am already installed my virtual machine. So here is my virtual machine. So you need to download and then install with the VirtualBox. The step is so easy and so simple, so you can install easily. Next, you can understand. So now we need download Ubuntu. So if your computer supports 64-bit or 64-bit or 32-bit, whatever you computer supports, you need to download those operating system. So I am going to install. I have a 64-bit. My laptop is 64-bit, so I have already done with download. So I am already download. I have I have two Ubuntu and Xubuntu, but I don't want to install, so now cancel. So okay. So open your VirtualBox. After installation, I am just opening my VirtualBox, then click on new. So now what is VirtualBox? Is the VirtualBox is that you need to install another OS in particular one OS. So right now I am using Windows operating system. Here you can see that, and I want to install another operating system, Linux operating system, and subpart you can say that Ubuntu. Just we right now we are going with Ubuntu. Okay, so this VirtualBox is enable and access give you access to install it. So now we click on new. Here is the ask for name, what you want to. So simply Ubuntu. I will give the name of Ubuntu. What now it's asked for memory size, so I'm go with this green. Okay, then after ask for hard disk, whatever the choose by default, and click on create. And here you can see that 10 GB for this option will ask for your operating virtual operating system, what you want to give the memory. So here is the we have 1 TB hard disk. So now in virtual machine we give only 10 GB. So VDI, this hard disk file type by default, click on create. It will create our whatever you can. Okay, so this is not now then you click on start button. No, we go and add our file. And which file? And the file is here, OS, our Ubuntu OS. So go in VirtualBox, advanced. So here you can click share clipboard and click the last option. It will give you access, or whatever you can say, one operating system. So copy and paste to another operating system. So you can copy in Microsoft Windows and paste in another Ubuntu or whatever you can. So now we going to system. Here you can check your system best memory, whatever you want to give you the best memory. Going to processor, I have 4 core processor and I will give only 2 core processors, so it will enable for my system. So now going to display. By default display is good, so I don't want to give another one. So go into storage. Here you can see that going to empty. Click on this IDE. We need the install and click on choose a disk file. So go in your PC and whatever you download the Ubuntu OS. I am just here is the Ubuntu OS. Click on OK, and here is BIOS. Now we select our Ubuntu file, so what we are download. So click on this and click on start. So now you can see that our Ubuntu operating system is start. So I am just he is asking okay, I'm just click on start button. Let me maximize this one. Yeah, here we can see that is that installing right now. Yes, here you can see that our Ubuntu operating system is installed in VirtualBox. So here we can see that here is showing some two notification. So I am just click cancel. So now we are on our Ubuntu system. So whatever you want to install these languages, I am just familiar with English language, so click on install Ubuntu. So I am go with the US and click on continue. So here is now select the option normalization. It will install web browser, utilities, office software, games, and media players. And here you can also install this one, but I am just go with the normalization. And just, don't forget to check this option, because this option will do install third-party software for graphic and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media format. It will install your hardware, how to support your graphic card you have. But so after that, here is give the option erase disk and install Ubuntu. So don't worry, this is we are in work in VirtualBox, so it will not erase your disk. So install now, click on install now. Yeah, so here you can see that go with continue. If you are continue, this changes below is okay. So okay, click on continue. So choose your location where you are. So I am in India, so click on continue. So here ask me for your name, so give Ubuntu, and you can also change your computer's name. Give Ubuntu already given, okay, so don't worry. Ubuntu 00, no one, okay. Ubuntu A, no, I will give A B C D. So choose password to Ubuntu and login automatically, whatever you want to. I'm just go with login automatically and click on continue. So after installation, it will give this pop-up restart now. So restart. So finally we got this screen. I'm just go with Google, but I don't want to sign in, so skip live page. I don't want to do anything. Here is with Ubuntu, going to next, and done. So here is our another OS. So here you can Yes, we get this screen. Yes, you can see our Ubuntu is now run in our another OS. Yes, we got this screen, so you can see our Ubuntu is now running perfectly. Here is all software is available. Here is the browser. Let's check our browser is working or not. So here is the browser. Check the internet is working or not. Yes, here internet is working. Here we can see that. So click on cancel. Go in this option, go to power logout and power off, and going to power off. It will shut down your this operating system. So here we can see that how to install your virtual machine in Ubuntu. So I think you like this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.